from beautiful Guatemala. You're about to actually see another video that is not from Guatemala. It is from the great nation of Thailand, where I just was a few weeks ago, and we had this incredible experience of actually riding elephants in Thailand. Now, this is an elephant sanctuary where we were. There's a lot of poaching and other illegal things where people come and try and kill these elephants, so the Thai government has actually formed these sanctuaries for the elephants. And it's pretty amazing because these elephants, Asian elephants, are actually smarter than African elephants, and they're much easier to train. So what you're going to see in these videos is not just us riding videos, but these elephants can actually paint, they can play soccer, they can play basketball. And so I'm going to put all these clips in here. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm sure your kids will enjoy it. I know my kids love watching these videos over and over again. And have fun, stay tuned, here it comes.
Here's our bananas. No, you weren't here the last time. Becky, I got a picture of this right in the oh. Better? Yeah, sit up here because the rails. Get up here. And Kelly too. Get your basket. That lower one's just a little bit too low. That way the rail won't get in the way.
要看海的脸色，不要站在中间，避免影响其他游客的观看。在表演期间，请在座位上坐好，不要站起来，也不要随意给大象喂食。
23 years old. There's one little man. His name is Omo. Omo is 3 years old. Sonji 3 years old. Next one little man, his name is Donglek. He is 6 years old. This little man, her name is Namtong. She is 6 years old. Next one little man, his name is Namtang. He is 7 years old.
无论公母都有长牙，可以怀孕，怀孕期为20个月，优先生下来就开始剪辑。Money for our elephant hospital here at Batang Elephant Park. We treat not only our own elephant, but also the elephant in the wildlife free orchard. And now to introduce our elephant to you. On your left hand side, female elephant, her name is Sada. Sada is 14 years old. Second one, male elephant, his name is Namtang. Namtang is 7 years old. Third one, female elephant, her name is Namtong. Namtong is 6 years old. And right hand side, male elephant, his name is Tanwa. Tanwa is 3 years old. And his picture that they will show you today. Let's see them. Not every elephant can train. It's only the more clever one that can. It takes 4 to 5 months to train them how to paint. They learn by copying and only work around some bananas. Not only do the elephant paint picture, they also paint fabric. We then send the canvas to the factory in Chiang Mai, and this come back and handbags in many different colors and different styles. All of them are on sale at the Elephant Art Gallery in the center complex, with overseas supporting the Elephant Clinic here. And all these paintings are for sale and cost 1,000 baht each. We draw them, roll them, and put them in a tube for you to take home. The 1,000 baht go to the Elephant Clinic here at Batang Elephant Park. If anyone would like to buy one of these wonderful paintings, please come to see me and get your reservation ticket. I'm located on the right hand side of the audience in another box. These paintings sell out quickly, so if you like what you see, contact me as soon as you can.
前面给大家介绍画画的大奖。从看台左边开始，第一头就是他，今年14岁了，他已经画半年了。第二头就龙丹，今年7岁了，他已经画4年了。第三头就龙头，今年6岁了，他已经画2年半了。第四头小香他叫汤娃，今年3岁了，他已经画1个月了。并不是每一头大象都会画画，只能挑选出最聪明的才可以训练出来。培训一头大象画画，需要15个月的时间，通过模仿，还有先交的奖励，才可以把大象培训出来。大象不仅可以在纸上画，还可以在布上画。我们把画好的帆布送到新麦工厂，做成各种各样的手提包。大家可以在画廊看到这些包，并可以购买。我们训练这些大象画画，是为了给大家这手目觉。我们不仅整治每当大象里的大象，还整治每当象所有的大象。大象画的画每幅一线珠，卖画所得的钱，我们将分文不筹，全部捐赠给大象诊所，用来救治大象。除此之外，你在画廊购买的画包、替水蛇画的钱，我们都捐赠给大象诊所。如果你想购买大象画的画，请联系看台右边的工作人员。向大象的每幅画1线珠，全部用于救治大象。谢谢大家。
1, 2, and kick. Just don't go for the first time. Try it, my boy. Just keep on going. Please stand when I try to kick the ball and Miss Fiona. One, two, and kick. Backward. It's not easy to kick the ball right up, but he can do.